Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Happy and Healthy Life. I am taking 1 cup of water, put the chicken breast, onion, ginger, garlic cloves and some whole black pepper and half teaspoon salt. Now I am boiling the chicken and I will preserve the chicken stock. After that, I am cutting the chicken, carrot, bell peppers, green beans, capsicum, onion, ginger, garlic cloves, green chilies, cabbage, celery, and finally the spring onion. Now in a pan I am adding 2 teaspoon olive oil. In the oil I am adding chopped garlic, ginger and fry a little bit. After that I am adding all the chopped veggies. Then stir fry until they are slightly tender. It's time to add the boiled chicken pieces, one teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar, some crushed black pepper and fry them. It's time to add the chicken stock into the veggies. I'm adding some more water to boil the veggies properly. Now adding half cup fusilli pasta to enhance the taste of the soup. Next goes 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1.5 tablespoon chili sauce, 1.5 tablespoon dark soy sauce and 1 tablespoon vinegar. Next I am adding a whole egg and cover it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am adding 2 tablespoon cornstarch to get the perfect consistency. Finally, I am crushing some black pepper on it. Now, our delicious and healthy hot and sour soup with pasta is ready to serve. I am serving this in a bowl. Garnished with some spring onion, celery leaves and a boiled egg.